Today we're going to talk about graphic designing, and let's get started with the burning question. What is graphic designing? Graphic designing is the art or skill of combining text and pictures in a particular type of media. Multinational companies such as Coca-Cola, Tesla, Google, Apple, and Nike use graphic designing to provide them a competitive edge in today's market. That is why graphic designing is known as a multi-million industry. When we hear graphic designing, all we simply think about is creating posters, creating flyers, or CVs or logos. However, that is simply not what graphic designing is. Graphic design is also inclusive of web design and animation, architecture and interior design, fashion and jewelry design. Furthermore, graphic design can also be used for product package design, for video game creation, and also tattoo design. Graphic designing also opens up to many more opportunities. Many multi-million-dollar industries such as jewelry, fashion, and automobiles heavily depend on graphic designers. Graphic designers provide them a competitive edge and helps to ensure the survival of their business in today's markets. And if you're a professional graphic designer, you have the ability to create a 6 to 7 figure monthly income while also being able to create value wherever you go. Graphic designing not only helps you to get a job, graphic designing is also a skill, and this skill helps you to be a freelancer in platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. And as a freelancer, you have the opportunity to earn dollars, not just Sri Lankan rupees. And if you want to master this skill, you will require theoretical and practical knowledge. There are many more softwares available for graphic designing. However, most professional graphic designers use Adobe softwares such as Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Lightroom. And if you want to master these 4 softwares, don't worry, we got you covered. We as members of eClub Business College would love to present the opportunity for you to learn graphic designing. You can start with us today. When you join our course, you will be able to learn graphic designing from A to Z. While you learn from us, you will be given a certificate in graphic design. You will also be given industrial training opportunities. We will also provide you the opportunity to enlist your skills on the Fiverr platform. If you don't know how to use the Fiverr platform, don't worry, we'll teach you. So what are you waiting for? Start today at the eClub Business College.
eClub Business College, Goal Road, Nalluruwa Panadura.